What's up, everybody out there on YouTube? Bryce Michael RC here, and today was supposed to be kind of the first box in a new series that I wanted to do to kind of support more FPV on my channel, and that's this FPV crate. And I did some research on quad box and FPV crate and stuff, and basically, I don't think quad box exists anymore, and FPV crate kind of beat them out. And so I was pretty excited. I seen some of the videos. Some of them weren't that great and some of them were awesome. And so I was like, let's give this a shot. We can at least do it for a few months, and if it doesn't work out right, we'll just call it a day. And I'm not really big into mystery boxes and stuff. My kids are. But to be honest with you, there were some boxes that I saw that they were going through, and I was like, man, I never think to get that stuff. I never think to spend money on that. So maybe doing this will get me some products that I typically wouldn't get normally that I really do need. But this is the April 2021, and I don't think we got one more coming because it's already ordered, and I'm just now getting this, and they've already done the other one. It is May 7th right now, and this is April 2021. So I'm pretty disappointed in the fact that I'm going to show you right here on their website. It says that the boxes get shipped out between the 10th and the 15th of each month. And I did all this research before ordering it. When I didn't see that it says fulfilled and unfulfilled and stuff on your order deal. And when I seen that it hadn't been fulfilled yet, by the 16th, I sent them an email. And they said that it was supposed to be by the 20th, even though their website says by the 15th. Let me tell you guys something. People don't like being lied to. And the fact that FPV Crate has already beat out Quad Box, it seems like, and I watched another video of last month, and it seems like they're just taking it easy, taking a step back, and that's unacceptable. It's unacceptable to we'll get to it, the cost and all that different stuff, the end cost and how long it took to even get here and stuff. It's just, they sent me another email. They sent us another email, saying that they're moving and stuff like that, and that they were supposed to get them out by next week, which this was a few weeks ago, and it still took them until the end of that next week in order to actually send them out. And then once they sent, you can see here, it took more than a week after shipping, and this is $10 shipping. They add $10 shipping to it. It took more than a week for it to took more than a week to get out of Florida. It's like, what? I ship stuff all the time, and to me, that seems like they put it on the lowest shipping imaginable, which should be around $5.99, and probably pocketed the rest of the money or something. I don't know what they're doing. But it blows my mind that a company thinks that it would be acceptable to keep running this thing. See, what companies do when they can't meet their quotas, and what they do when they can't meet the dates that they promise their customers, is they shut it down. And they send their customers a thing saying, I'm sorry, we're busy, we're doing something else, we're moving or something like that. And they shut it down. They don't allow any new customers to come on or anything. That way they don't lose anyone. And everybody understands why. And nobody's being charged money until everything's back to where they can meet their quota. By shutting it down doesn't mean you lose people. In fact, you'll keep people, and it'll be better. And then you can come up with some big promotional thing when everything's set and ready to go. But instead, they keep this thing going. They keep lies on their website, and then they take forever. To me, it doesn't seem like FPV Crate's personnel and people there, I don't think they're very business savvy. And I'd hate to say, I've seen one of the pilots that they have working for them and stuff that, what they do on their videos and stuff like that. And I can see why they don't have much of a business sense if they're just hiring pilots like that. It's completely and utterly ridiculous. So anyways, we got that out of the way. This is my first one. And I wanted to have an exciting video and stuff, but it's just like, I've been sitting here waiting and wait. It's May 7th, and this is April's. And I was expecting this to be here around the 15th of April. Or around the 20th of April if it got shipped out on the 15th. You know, between the 10th and 15th, like the website says. But it's whatever. It's just one of those things. To me, the value, the saved value, doesn't matter anymore, because part of it is the fact that you get it at a specific time and earlier. One thing is, like, I'll go to Amazon and I'll order a part, a thing that I need, and I'll spend a little bit of extra money because it's going to be here sooner. I'll look around and do price comparative stuff, and I'll pay a little bit more because I'm going to get it a little bit sooner. People like getting their stuff sooner. They like getting their stuff on time. It makes the value seem better. But when you wait so long, there is absolutely no value to this box. I don't care what they put in. I've seen a lot of the other boxes, and I've seen the value that you save. But when it comes out this late, there is absolutely no value saved. There is none. So it wipes out that entire thing. Anyways, I'm sorry about ranting. Let's get into this thing, and we'll see. Hey, you know what? If they're gonna be late like this, put something special in it. Make the value bigger and better. Make people go, wow, I'm glad I waited this long. But I guarantee you, last month I seen that, and the value just wasn't there. So we'll see. We'll see how this goes. All right. So let's cut open this sticker. And I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. I'm trying to keep this up because my thing is on the top, my address and stuff. All right. Here's a thank you, and that like tells everything that's in it. And this is supposed to be part of the value. Get $10 off, Get FPV. I actually use Get FPV for certain things. Not sure after this how much I'm going to use them, but you know, it's one of those things. There's sticker sheet. Not much to it. A couple of drones. These FPV Explorer and that guy. Looks like that's all the peel off. Alright. We've got a Unify Pro. Hey, that's actually pretty good. I actually need a VTX right now, so that's pretty cool. And I was looking at buying a Unify Pro, so, you know, that's awesome. That's good. We get... oh, the HQ. These are the exact props I use. I was about to order these. These are those... well, they're FPV crate, but these look like they're the Ethics. They look exactly like the black Ethics props. Let's see, I have one that's a little bent. Basically the exact same thing. These are the exact props I use. So, yeah, I'd have had those coming in anyways. Let's see. We've got a Lumineer Lollipop, which I use lollipops, but I use Foxeer lollipops. I think that's a lollipop. I think that's what they're called. And then we've got a t-shirt, and that's it. It looks like that's it. That's not, yeah. Really no value in that when it comes to how long it took. Let me open this t-shirt. That is the t-shirt there. So yeah, that's everything. It's just not worth it. It's not. Had it came out on time, be a little bit more happy about it. Because I do need a VTX. I use these props, but here's the thing: I already order these props all the time, so I've got tons of these. Nothing special. So basically, for $65 and waiting a month and a half, I got a VTX and an antenna. I'm canceling it. My other one's already ordered, so the money's already coming through, and I'll do that one for you guys, but I'm getting on right now, and I'm canceling this. This is just ridiculous. Don't do this. Don't waste your money.